Welcome guys to this tutorial. In this video I will be talking about how you can hide your YouTube subscribers on your channel. So this would mean that your YouTube subscriber count will not be publicly shown. I have structured this video in several key parts. So first of all, I will discuss where this information can be found publicly. Second is if you should hide it or not, my point of view. And then third point is how to do it both on PC and also on your phone. So first of all, let's get started with where you can find this information. So obviously, just for your own information, you can find it right here in YouTube Studio, but this can be hidden. So you can only see your YouTube Studio information yourself, but publicly you can see right here I have opened my channel, how it is visible publicly, and right here it says channel name and then the number of subscribers. So you can see that at the moment I have 2.94 thousand subscribers. Also, another place where it is visible, and that's where most people will be able to see the subscriber count, is when you go to any video you want to see. So I have here opened a random video of my own, and if you scroll a little bit to the comment section and also this description, here you can see the channel name and the number of subscribers it has. So this can be hidden as well. Now let's discuss if you should do it. So my personal opinion is that I want to keep this information public. I don't see any reason why you should hide it. There is point of view that if you have a small subscriber base, then maybe it's not worth showing it. But a counter argument would be that vice versa, that if you have a small subscriber base, then some people will be encouraged to support your channel because they want to support small channel. So that's my point of view. But then again, some people believe that small channels, they might not have enough track record and want to hide this information. So it is up to you. And in order to hide it, it is quite simple to do. I will go back to the studio, and here at the bottom you can see settings. Let's wait a second. Here there will be an option channel, and then advanced settings, and then you can see subscriber count, display the number of people subscribed to my channel. This is automatically ticked, but you can untick it and save, and the setting has been saved. So I will refresh the page to show you how it will look like. So let me pause the video. You can see that here it is the channel name, but I can no longer see the subscriber count publicly. However, in channel dashboard for my own use, I would be able to see that information. Now, in order to do it on the phone as well, it will be very similar process. So here I have opened it in Chrome. What you would need to do is go to studio.youtube.com. So let me delete the last part. Like this. You might need to log into your channel depending on if you have logged in previously to your channel or not. So make sure you are logged in. And also when you open this app, this studio.youtube.com, your browser might suggest that if you want to go to YouTube Studio and press that you want to continue browsing through your browser. So in my case, it's Google Chrome, but it can be any other browser as well, Safari and so on. The reason for this is that you cannot change this setting in YouTube Studio, the application. So you need to go through browser and make sure that it is the same version as desktop version. So at the bottom left corner, you can see this gear icon, so press on that, and in the very same way you will press channel, advanced settings, and then scroll down here, tick the subscriber count to show it, and then let me zoom out. At the very bottom you can see save. Just I need to press it. There you go, it has been saved. So now if I refresh the page again, let me pause the video. So you can see that this information is visible again. So I hope that this tutorial is useful, and please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.